This song's called Devil Blues. Hope y'all like it. There's something I'm wanting to say. Feel the burn of the fire coming my way. Hold on to something hanging by a thread. Try to shut out the whisper of the ghost in my bed, devil in my head. The devil in my head. So I bathe in the fountain of my personal sin. I've been drinking all the holy water and baptized in gin. Write down the letters, try to keep them unread. I've been feeling the weight of the world, the iron lead, devil in my head. Devil in my head. Appreciate y'all.